Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Today's hair sponsor is Subella Hair. I have collaborated with them once before. Today what I have installed is a 26-inch 13x4 HD glueless body wave wig. This is actually in their retro body wave style. This wig fits really nicely, like fresh out of the box. You definitely wear her glueless. We'd love to see it. Has good lace. I didn't put any lace tint on the lace. Pluck some of those hairs right here. To make it look a little bit more natural. Can you wear her glueless? Yes, absolutely. It should be good enough to just stick her down. I am out of place, and without you. This is the one product. If you're a beginner, get that. You can secure the wig, you can melt the baby hairs, do the sideburns, you can do everything with that one product. I like to use this. Just dab. Because the hairspray does tend to leave a slight white cast. It's not major, but there is a little something there. Easy plucking. I like to just pick some sections and pluck because I never get time to like pluck it on the mannequin. And then just brush her down a little bit. This Tarte palette is Clay Play. This is the best for giving Kezzy scalp. I don't know about y'all, but this is what my scalp looks like. So that's why I use these colors. This wig comes ready to wear. It comes with a pre-plucked hairline and bleach knots, so you don't have to do anything. This is 100% beginner friendly. I did wear this wig glueless in the beginning of the videos. You don't need any experience to wear this wig. You can literally take it out of the package and put her on. I know we love that. No bad smell. It actually smells pretty nice, so that's nice. It doesn't smell like anything. It has a slight shampoo smell, which is really fresh, and it's looking really nice, guys. The HD lace is definitely HD. I'm really impressed with that. A lot of companies claim to have HD lace, but not all of them deliver. Sometimes it's HD transparent, sometimes it's transparent, but this is in fact HD. All I did was put some powder where the white cast of the spray was showing through. So anywhere that was showing through, I went over with the powder. Really impressed. It's giving very natural. It's very full. The 220% density is definitely where it's at. Beautiful though. I would highly recommend it if you guys want a lace front wig with nice density, because 220% is giving 250. If you want a wig that has really nice lace that comes ready to wear, definitely check them out. I love that it comes layered and I don't have to do much to it. 10 out of 10 it gets from me. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you want to pick up this wig, I'm gonna link it in the description box. If there's a discount code, it's gonna be there as well, so don't forget to use that before you go. Turn your notification bell on if you haven't, and subscribe, guys, because you know we do wig giveaways all the time on my channel every month, so don't miss out on that and become an MVP if you aren't one already. I'll catch you guys later in another review real soon. Bye for now.